I just finished installing this cold air intake and thought I'd do a little walk around. This one turned out really good. Perfect fit. Had to lengthen this a hair. Cut this hose a little bit. This just fits right up in there. Great. Doesn't touch anything there. See, this is a great fit. No problem. The hood will seal this right here. A lot fatter tube. So I'm happy with that. So let's do a little start up here. You can definitely hear it when you step. When I step on it. No check engine lights. Working with 101,000 miles on this thing. Not too bad for a 2014. Here's my Trinity. This is a tuner right here, and Scats, the tuner I'm going to use. This will be beneficial to him. He can use this to put a custom tune, and it'll be better than the three, they're called canned tunes that come with this. 93, got a 91, and then you got an 87 tune. So it'll be quite a bit better. Idling right down, no check engine lights. Do a little rev here. Yep, you can definitely hear it. Sounds great. Very happy with it. No Hemi tick on this one at all.